keep your calendar update. I'm gonna show you in a couple of seconds a video that I've created for you where I show you how I keep my calendar update and the tools and the tips that I use to have my calendar update. I will then share with you how I organize my calendar, so maybe this can be helpful for you as well. First of all, I have got the calendar divided for different calendars. So I've got a personal calendar, corporate work calendar, as I do a lot of corporate stuff, all my reminders, all my tasks. Also I've got all my touring. Sometimes if I work just with one band for a couple of months, I just create a calendar just for the band, and I will share this for everyone. For people that work on the band. All my training, all my course that I do, all my travel that is not related to work. So I want to show with you how I organize especially my work, all my booking. That I think that's the most important things for everyone. Let's say that I get an inquiry for a job. So what I do, I created a new job in here, open all the window, and I say, first of all, I write the name of the company. And after in here, I write what I'm gonna do for that company. So let's say that I'm gonna do sound. And on this side, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add a symbol that is or this symbol or this symbol. So this symbol, it means I received the request of the job, but I still don't have got any PO, any confirmation that I get paid for that job or that job is confirmed. In here I put the detail of the venue, so let's say, I don't know, the 𝐦𝐤𝐤, corporate work, and this is the normal color, right? But what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this in yellow, so this means that the job is in pencil or is still not confirmed. And in here I'm going to write any other description, any stuff that the booking guy give to me. I don't know, arrive on site for 8 AM and Derek will be around 5 PM. And that's it. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna save this, and as you can see in here is a list always as a corporate work, but it's yellow, so I know that this job is maybe not confirmed, or I don't know if it's gonna happen. When I receive the confirmation of the job with the PO number, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna change this and put this one as a confirm, and the most important things will be just write always your PO number in here. So just in case you forget, or just in case you lose your email, and change this one as red, so you know that the job is happening. That's the main things that I always do. If you have personal stuff, just write all your personal stuff. And another things that you can do, if you want to make sure that maybe one day you want to work for 2 jobs, so you can also just write down the time that the job will happening. You will have on your calendar also the timing of the job. If you look your calendar, will be more easy for you to say, okay, this is start at 8:15, I can find another job, or Google will tell you, look, you are busy already for that time. And then that's it. That's how I organize my calendar. It's pretty easy. I know that it takes a bit of time sometimes, but you can literally copy and paste this every time that you add a new job, and literally it's quite easy to do it. It doesn't take a lot of time, but it's good because I find myself quite easy to open my phone, look on my calendar and see, okay, I've got this is that is pencil, this is not pencil, this is busy, I'm busy, how I am off. So I think that for me, and I think that for most people, this stuff will work quite well. Thank you.